What's going on, guys? Welcome back on my channel. As you guys can see, Appcake is actually back for the jailbroken devices. This is on working for jailbroken devices. So today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do this. So open Safari and go to the iPhone cake. I'll leave the link in the description. This is the old version of iPhone cake. It's in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down and click on add repo in Cydia and click on open. It's going to add the repo in Cydia. So here is the repo. Is just loading Cydia right now. I don't know how fast your RAM is, but it's going to take a little bit time. So it's open in my repo in Cydia, and if you click on continue to source and click on close Cydia and open Safari again and search now for IO update, iRepo update. Search for iRepo update on your web browser and you'll find it, and here it is, iOS repo update. So in the search bar, just search for Appcake. Don't leave a space between the words. Just search for Appcake and select the first one that is going to appear. Here it is, Appcake by Kitten. Just select that one and click on add repo in Cydia. If you have Cydia, I don't know what you are going to use, but I have Cydia. I'm going to add in Cydia. So there it is, and I'm going to click on all packages, and I'm going to click on Appcake Unified, and the next step you have to do is click on modify and install. It's going to be installed, but I've already installed it, and you click on confirm, and now it is installing app. It is installing Appcake on your device. So just give it time. I don't know how long it's going to take for you, but mine doesn't actually take about 5 seconds. So just give it time, and you don't have to click on restart Springboard. Actually, you have to close Cydia. Open the window, side window, and close Cydia, and go back again and open Cydia right now. Definitely it's taking time for me, so I don't know how it's your RAM for it. Yeah, there it is. Open Cydia and go to source, click on Appcake, click on Appcake again, Appcake 4, click on install, and click on the new temporary, click on confirm again. Yeah, there it is. Starting installing, so just give it time, and it's definitely going to install. It will take about 10 to 20 seconds. So just installing right now, and for this one I'm going actually to restart the Springboard. I have to restart the Springboard for this one, so just wait for it to start. Finish installing. So there it is, it has finished installing. Click on restart Springboard. I'm clicking on restart Springboard, and I'll meet you guys when I'm done restarting the Springboard. So there it is, Appcake is installed. You can try to open it, but it won't open right now. It's not opening. So go to Safari again and search for iPhone cake. iPhonecake.com. I'll leave also that one, the link in the description, so that you can go and search. There will be an alert, a pop-up, and click on OK. It's going to redirect you to this page here, and you have to scroll down until you find Appcake Jailbreak. For jailbreak, click on Appcake for jailbreak. There's a pop-up and click on install. Right now it's starting to install Appcake on your device, so I'm just going to show you guys the proof that it's right, and it's there. It is installing. So I'm going just to speed up the video, and I'll meet you guys when it's done. So here it is, Appcake is actually installing. After it is installed, you have to open it and click on verify. After you click on verify, so here is the step you have to follow. Go to settings and click on profile downloaded profile. Here is the certificate. You are going to see all the certificate that were assigned by Apple for this, for you to be able to install the first party application right now. So just click on profile downloaded, and you're going to see all the profile and all the certificate that we are assigned to the new Appcake by Apple, and you can also allow the certificates to be open. So here it is. Here are all the certificates you can actually see. Trans Asia, whatever, RSA, CA, everything is actually on here. You can bring the certificates if you are some type of professional, if you want to know everything about all the certificates and want what is take from your PC or your computer, what actually this certificates does, you can actually check the Appcake. So you can click on here, and after you have to click on trust, and you have to trust the certificates right now. And after you trust, the certificate is going to be installed on your PC. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the subscribe button, like the video, and don't forget to share it. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys in the next one.